Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to explain to you 9 compact kitchen gadgets. Compact appliances can perform the same functions as larger appliances but on a smaller size. They enhance cooking endeavors without taking up valuable kitchen space, and they're especially useful if you live alone or with a small family. They also make cleanup a lot easier. In this video, we provided the list of 9 compact kitchen gadgets to help you make the most of your small kitchen, whether you're creating a quick and easy lunch or a decadent 3-course dinner. As always, all the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. The number 9 product on our list is the Ninja SP101 Convection Oven. This oven has a lot of functionality and cooking capacity in a small countertop footprint. You can air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, toast, dehydrate, and heat all in one appliance. When you're done cooking, you can simply flip the oven to clean and store. Our team would like to highlight that this convection oven has a removable back panel, which you can use to access the interior for extensive cleaning. It also has a unique design that emphasizes fast and even cooking results with a 60-second warm-up time, so you can have a family-sized dinner ready in under 20 minutes. Overall, our team was impressed with its ease of use, versatility, and lovely appearance of this Ninja SP101 Convection Oven. The number 8 item on our list is the Foreman Smokeless-Digital Grill. Indoor grilling has never been easier, more delicious, or more environmental friendly than with this Smokeless-Digital Smart Select Grill. The touch-sensitive digital control panel guides you through selecting the exact time and temperature for each grilling activity. You can cook your favorite recipes up to 3 times faster with contact grilling. For easy cleanup, the grill plate and drip tray are removable and dishwasher safe. Our team would like to highlight that the excess fat and grease are collected in the dishwasher-safe drip tray for convenient disposal. It fits neatly inside the grill, keeping the grease out of sight while cooking. The Foreman Smokeless-Digital Grill has high-quality features such as touch-sensitive digital control panel and dishwasher-safe drip tray. That is why it is no doubt that this product is included on our list. The number 7 product on our list is the Duxtop Portable Induction Countertop Burner. A magnetic field immediately transfers the energy generated by the Duxtop to the cooking vessel. It recognizes the size of the cookware base and adjusts automatically, using very little energy. Our team would like to highlight that this cooktop is quick to heat up, safe to use, and easy to clean. It's a multi-purpose kitchen tool that may be used as a beautiful sophisticated table centerpiece or as an extra cooking instrument. This induction cooktop runs on 120 volts and 15 amperes, which is common in most households. The stove may be plugged into an ordinary household socket, and it is really easy to move around. The Duxtop Portable Induction Countertop Burner is a great product that cooks quickly and has a superb temperature control. It features one of the largest heat circles for a portable unit, and it properly cooks everything from long-grain brown rice to over-easy eggs and omelets. The number 6 product on our list is the Baratza Encore coffee grinder. This grinder can vary from fine to coarse for all the popular brew methods, including espresso, AeroPress, Pyro V60, Chemex, French press, and automatic brewers, with 40 distinct grind settings. Its 40mm hardened steel burrs offer a high-quality grind that will make a significant impact on the flavor of your coffee. It's simple to operate with a motor controlled by an on and off toggle switch on the side for continuous grinding or a convenient pulse button on the front for rapid grinding bursts. Our team would like to highlight that the Encore's small design allows it to fit under most kitchen cabinets. The hopper holds 8 ounces of whole beans, and the clear ground bins features a fill line that indicates when it needs to be emptied. The Baratza Encore coffee grinder is a great little workhorse for your home espresso, drip, or French press coffee setup because of its grind consistency and reliability. The number 5 product on our list is the Deluxe Compact Powder Cold Press Juicer. Since juice made with slow juicer oxidizes at a slower rate, it stays fresher for long periods. It separates the pumice from the juice while extracting nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Our team would like to highlight that this juicer comes with a frozen attachment that allows you to prepare homemade sorbet and other frozen delicacies. Its small size is ideal for smaller kitchens, and it saves room for anyone wishing to make cold-pressed juice at home without losing power or durability. The Deluxe Compact Power Cold Press Juicer surely stands out with its ease of use, lovely appearance, and versatility. The number 4 product on our list is the Magic Bullet Small Blender. The Magic Bullet's precisely designed blade and unique bullet form are the keys to its time-saving efficiency. These features combine to forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, allowing the Magic Bullet to do almost any food prep activity in seconds. Our team would like to highlight that with just a simple twist of the wrist, the Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds, and more. From appetizers to desserts, the recipe guide would help you produce quick, easy, and delicious foods. Cleaning is as simple as it gets with a wide range of dishwasher-safe attachments. The Magic Bullet small blender is well designed for combining smoothies and drinks. It also is incredibly easy to use and clean. The number 3 product on our list is the Dash Mini Waffle Maker Machine Red Heart. You can prepare single-serve dishes in less than 3 minutes with this waffle maker. The non-stick surface allows you to cook and brown whatever you make to perfection. And you can also use it to create fun and colorful meals for your family. There's also a recipe guide included so you can master the classics or branch out and try something new. There's no need to set it up, simply plug it in and start cooking. Our team likes to highlight that this is a must-have for your first apartment, small kitchen, college dorm, or RV, weighing in at over a pound. This Dash Mini Waffle Maker Machine Red Heart is worth every penny. Even if it's small, it functions well, and for that, it earns the 3rd spot on our list. The number 2 product on our list is the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. Chopping, grinding, pureeing, emulsifying, and blending are just a few of the jobs that the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Processor can do. This unique auto-reversing smart power blade has a super sharp edge for precise herb cutting as well as blending and pureeing soft foods. To grind spices and other hard ingredients, the blunt edges provide a robust cutting surface. It has pulse activation that allows for the most precise processing, whether it's chopping or grinding. Our team would like to highlight that the Mini Prep Plus processor takes up little counter space and can be stored on the counter or in a cabinet. The high-speed 250-watt motor works hard and fast to do any small task quickly and efficiently. From chopping herbs to precisely grinding hard cheese, the Mini Prep Plus 24-ounce processor is the ideal little helper for little meal preparation. The number 1 product on our list is the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. In under 5 minutes, you can have a hot, fresh breakfast sandwich with this sandwich maker. Simply put the ingredients inside, make the bottom layer of your sandwich, place the egg on the cooking plate, and close the lid. When you remove the cooking plate, your sandwich will assemble itself, which means your breakfast sandwich is hot and ready once you open the lid. Our team would like to highlight that the including recipe book offers a range for breakfast sandwich options from standard egg, ham, cheese to innovative cheddar, apple, bacon, and egg croissant sandwich. The sandwich maker's removable parts are dishwasher safe and the surfaces is coated with a long-lasting non-stick coating. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker is a great kitchen tool that works perfectly every time. Considering the features that have been mentioned, it is no doubt that this product earns the top spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 9 compact kitchen gadgets. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update on this subject. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.